Hey budgeters, it's Christina, and today I am bringing to you a very special travel Dollar Tree DIY packing travel organization hacks. I don't know, something like that. So what inspired me to do this video is I have a trip coming up, and I was watching on YouTube Miss Louie's packing tips, and she had a bunch of great ideas of items that help you pack your luggage, and I added all the stuff to my Amazon cart, and then I was like, but this doesn't fit in my budget, so what am I gonna do? So I decided, that's what inspired this video, to go to the Dollar Tree to see what I could find that could kind of replicate those items that I had in my Amazon cart, but on a much smaller budget. And so I did come up with quite a few things from the Dollar Tree. One of which, stay tuned to the end, that one was kind of funny, might be more like a kid's project, but I did it. I recorded the footage, so I'm gonna add it in there. I think it could work, it just didn't work for me, so you'll have to stay tuned to watch. One last thing, I will link Miss Louie below because she did have some good stuff, so if you do have a larger budget, go ahead and buy the stuff from Amazon. But also anything else that I talk about in this video that I will link also in the description box below. And just a quick note on that, anything that I link, I would get a commission through Amazon, and it's at no additional cost to you. So if you decide to use it, it'll just support my channel, support me doing more video ideas like this. So if you ever can, go ahead and use my Amazon link because it will help a lot. Okay, let's jump right into the video. One of the things Miss Louie had in her video was a silicone sleeve for a hot hair tool, such as a curling iron or a flat iron. You could just use an oven mitt and slide the hair iron into that. It fit perfectly. Additionally, if you want a silicone surface for wherever you're going to be doing your hair on vacation, you can just get a lid holder in the kitchen department and stuff that in the oven mitt too. Here are the items that you'll use for this next project. The first one is what they are calling a crossbody bag. Then you're gonna need another pouch. So this one was a pineapple one. Gonna just layer it on. And then I found this silicone cosmetic case. So we can make this hanging over the door rack using items like this, but I didn't want to do that because this wasn't see-through. So instead, there were these 2 packs of clear travel bags. So here's what I'm thinking. We're going to use the bottom one, and I grabbed 2 packs of those. Going to layer the clear bags. I'm just gonna sew them on to the black strap. And another option is to have Velcro so that when I'm done, I can roll it all up and Velcro the top strand, I'll show you, onto wherever I'm gonna put the Velcro piece. So that's the top area that would hang over the hook. So here I am sewing each pouch onto the black strap of the crossbody bag. It really didn't take me as long as I thought it would, maybe 30 minutes tops. So here's how it looks when it's all finished. Go ahead and stuff it up with things that you think you might stuff it with, and then roll it up like I'm doing right here to see approximately where on the back you'll need the Velcro sticky to go. I'm measuring it up right there. I'm so glad I did it while it was full. So it does have sticky backs, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add some needle and thread to sew it on for some longevity, since it will probably take a beating, being that it's a travel kit and all. So I'm just gonna sew this on. So here it is, Velcro on, everything's finished. I'm rolling it up, going ahead and Velcroing it, and it's pretty sturdy. I do a little bit of a shake test on it with the side handles that I did not cut off because I figured, who knows, they might come in handy at some point. As you can see, it just stays put. I'm really proud of this one. This sweater storage bag works well for boots or men's shoes if you're going somewhere warmer where you might need boots. It's actually perfect for Uggs. It doesn't have any structure to it, but it just keeps the shoes separate, and you can kind of see through it to know what boot is inside. You can also just find a regular gallon storage bag at Dollar Tree, or you probably just have it in your house already. And these are a size 8 flip-flop. So anything just a little bigger might fit, maybe an 8.5, but probably beyond that it wouldn't fit. Again, it doesn't really give it much structure, actually a little bit, but it just protects them, the rest of your items, so that nothing gets dirty. Okay, also for shoe bags, they had a thing called actual travel bag when I was there, so I couldn't believe that. They are clear, which is perfect, exactly what I was looking for. They're perfect for traveling. You can put a pair of shoes in them. So at the Dollar Tree, they have these storage containers, and they have a few different sizes. I think the one that fits best for this method to work as a packing cube is the B style. And so look at the height. It's like a perfect height for my luggage, which I think is like a standard size luggage. And I'm going to just fold some clothes and put them inside and show you how to use them as a packing cube. Alright, so I didn't go all the way with it, but this is perfect because you can take it in and out of your luggage, put it into the drawers at wherever you're staying. Another good thing about this is that when all of your clothes are dirty and you put them in the dirty bin, these are just collapsible. So you could just fold them down and you don't even have to worry about it on your way home. Speaking of dirty laundry, I found this mesh laundry bag at Dollar Tree, and it's a very big laundry bag. You see how long it is. I like that it has a drawstring, but it's just like very big, so it would be better if you're using it for like 2 people or you're going to like a winter destination. But another alternative is, let's say you're going somewhere warm, you could put your dirty clothes in one of these clear pouches. And I was also thinking that sometimes when you leave a warm destination, you want a spot to put your wet bathing suit. So this would actually be perfect for bringing home wet bathing suits. All right, so there were also a lot of pouches at Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna actually use these for like a medicine bag or a womanly bag, and I'm gonna put these in my purse. These are not necessarily for traveling long distance, but traveling day to day, I think that these are perfect. Then they had other cute ones. Sometimes at my Dollar Tree, they've been having really cute products at the front register. I think it's like the teen section, but still the designs are pretty nice. So this one I think would be perfect for putting some cords in it. Same as this one. Can you see the texture on that? It's like a mint green, and it's like a velvety texture. Let's see how some electronics will fit. So we can treat this as like our tech bag. Yeah, it's perfect for all your cords. put that to the side. Also, the clear bags are really, don't forget the big envelope sleeves where you can put all other things like shirts, underwear, socks, whatever else. I found these travel bottles and I've used these before and they're perfect. I don't use the spray one too often, but I definitely use these ones, so they're not bad for a pack of 3 for $1. And then I also found these, they're for dressings for like salads and stuff. These were in the cooking section, and I think that these will be perfect because you can like squeeze stuff out of them better. So if they're safe for food, I'm sure they're safe for putting on your body as well. Little lotions, moisturizers, face creams, things like that would be perfect for these little bottles here. At Dollar Tree, I also found this cute chevron luggage tag. And I didn't just pick it up because it was cute. I picked it up because it's practical. And what I plan on using this for is literally as a luggage tag, but it serves a practical purpose because when you're at the place in the airport picking up your luggage on the conveyor belt, you're looking for a sign that that luggage coming out of there is yours and not someone else's. So although my luggage is a little bit distinct in the way that it's black with white polka dots, there were other black with white polka dot luggages last time. So I grabbed this so that when I see it, I can quickly know it's mine and just go ahead and grab it. Here's what it looks like when it's on the luggage. And I just used my label maker to make the label, but I also have the label right here just in case anything were to happen with this. I labeled contact information underneath on my handle. So when I was at the Dollar Tree, I came across their sunglasses section, and they had some reasonable sunglasses for the price, meaning like they were kind of attractive, like some of them if you just wanted to pack them and know that they could get damaged or that you can lose them. And there was actually a dupe to these dupes, which I heard about these from different YouTube people. These are Karen Walker dupes. And I guess she's a sunglass designer, I don't know. But I got them because they did look nice and trendy, and they were only $10 from Amazon. I can link them below. But I did find a pair from the Dollar Tree that kind of had the same features, with the metal up on the left hand and the right hand corners, and the tortoise shell or leopard design. I'm actually not quite sure. I have to look and see what one it is, but yeah, the ones from Dollar Tree also had a design on them. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed those hacks. Everything that I found from the Dollar Tree could be pretty useful for your trip. Remember, when you go on your trip, I know it's a special time and you're excited, and half of the trip, half the fun of the trip is like planning and packing and doing all of that. But remember, at the end of the day, you do come home, and you come home to your bills. So if it was something, if you bought stuff that you shouldn't have bought, if you bought stuff that wasn't in your budget, then it's just gonna hurt you when you get home, and you're gonna have to deal with it later on. And all that's gonna do is just delay your next vacation. So keep that in mind before you go crazy on Amazon or wherever else. Do what I did, go to the Dollar Tree, see what you can find there first, and then splurge on those better items. Please remember to follow me on Instagram, and also like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. First, you're gonna need a pair of socks from the Dollar Tree. Then you're gonna need a pair of old yoga pants or whatever extra fabric. You'll need a hood, a pair of scissors, and just a needle and thread. First thing you're gonna wanna do is take both the socks and just cut off the round front tip. Next, just cut whatever fabric you have into strips. The more the better, trust me, at the end you'll see why. And I'm just taking a short clip to clean up the mess because this shed a lot. Next, I'm gonna take the socks, turn it inside out so I can go ahead and sew the edge. And I'm not doing anything fancy, just sewing over the edge. take the sock back into the inside out, out of outside in, whatever. Stuff the socks. Attach the socks to each other. So here's our headrest, guys. I don't know if it's like laughable or if it's actually a thing. Like, I haven't decided, and I'm going to keep going. I'm gonna add the hood on it, and I'm just gonna be dedicated to this idea, and we will see how it turns out. Okay, the last step was for me to add a hood, and it looks very costumey. I don't know if you can tell. Alright, so here's the completed project. It's kind of laughable. I would not wear this. Let me tell you some of the things I do like though. I really do like the hood aspect of having a neck pillow, because if I have a neck pillow, I'm just still not falling asleep because my head is like revealed to everyone that's walking down the aisle. So I definitely like a hood on it, and I like this hood a lot on it because it's like long and oversized but still lightweight. So I do actually like that part about it. The sock part, I think this could work. Just the way I did it, it didn't work. It's like still not all the way stuffed. So, and this was one full pair of yoga pants, and I'm not a little girl. Like, I'm sorry, size large or extra large. So like, it could have used like probably one more full legging, and if it was a little bit thicker, I think it would definitely like do the job that it was intended to do. So I don't think it's a complete fail. I just don't think it's gonna work for me. But my younger brothers that have like smaller heads and necks and like all body parts and stuff, like this might be a good resting spot for their head as they're traveling. So I'll probably give it to them so they can use as they go down. But for me, I mean, you can tell it's a sock, which whatever, fine. But it's not gonna work that well for an adult with the way that I stuffed it. So if you were to do this, that's what I would recommend. I would highly recommend like really, really stuffing the crap out of this thing, and then it would probably work a lot better. Also, an idea I had is that if your hood had a drawstring, keep the drawstring, and then you could have packaged it all up like this. Like you fold it, if you sewed that part, and then you do the drawstring wherever that might be, probably, I guess right here the drawstring would be, and it would just be like in a little tight, whatever. I can't show you guys in this, but if you have a hoodie and you use the drawstring, I think it would be a good idea. Hi, yes, thank you for asking. I would like some peanuts and a Coke. Oh my God.